Welcome everyone. Now discuss about adaptive radiation. What is mean by adaptive radiation? Adaptive radiation na enna? So adaptive radiation it is a process of evolution from a given geographical region. From a point it to diverged into different species. From a point it was diverged into different species in different habitats. So it called adaptive radiation or divergent evolution. Adaptive radiation is equal to divergent evolution. Okay, so it means it's a process of evolution in different species. From a given geographical area, from a point to different habitats. Okay, it's called adaptive radiation. So it's a process evolution in different species. Different species are developed from a geographical region, from a point to different habitats. So இதுதான் adaptive radiation அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்றோம். Okay, so from a point அப்படின்னா இது. ஸோ ஒரு லைட் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா ரைட்லேருந்து வரக்கூடிய அந்த லைட் ரேஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது எல்லா டைரக்ஷன்லேயும் இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து எல்லா டைரக்ஷன்ல இருந்தும் எல்லா சைட்லயும் இது டைவர்ஜ்ட், அதை டீவியேட் ஆகி வேற நியூ ஸ்பீஷா உருவாகிறது. அதுதான் அதை அடாப்டிவ் ரேடியேஷன் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். இட் ஆல்சோ கால்ட் அஸ், இதை வேற எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணலாம். எப்படி அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, அண்ட் டியூ டு காம்படிஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபுட் இன் ஏ ஜியோகிராஃபிக்கல் ரீஜன், அதே ஒரு ஜியோகிராஃபிக்கல் ரீஜன்ல டியூ டு competition of food and also competition of environment, that ancestral species are evolved into many species. It was evolved into many species. This one like it was evolved into many species. It also called as adaptive radiation or divergent evolution அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, so இதுக்கான example, so the example of adaptive radiation is Darwin finches. The example of adaptive radiation. And Darwin finches, so when the Darwin was traveled in HMS Beagle ship, he visited a Galapagos island. Okay, it was situated in South America, near South America. It consists of nearly 21 small islands. Nearly 21 small islands. Okay, the Galapagos Island. Okay, so when he visiting the island, he observed some of special creations, and he observed one type of bird. Okay, it is a black bird. He observed one type of black bird, okay, and its varieties, okay, and this black bird, many varieties are present in the Galapagos Island, but they have a common structure with few changes. So only changes is the changes of many varieties of blackbird, only beak size, beak shape and feeding behavior. Feeding behavior. So this character only changed in different varieties of blackbird. Okay. So the Darwin observed this condition in Galapagos Island. So blackbird, later it was called as, okay, the blackbird of Galapagos Island, later it was called as Darwin finches. Darwin finches. Okay. And he observed many varieties of blackbird and with some of changes, phenotypic changes, which is only beak shape and feeding behavior. He observed 14 varieties, 14 varieties of Darwin finches. 14 varieties of Darwin finches. So he conclude that all the 14 varieties of Darwin finches are originate or developed from a single common ancestral form of blackbird. Okay, and this ancestral form of blackbird, it may be the ancestral form of blackbird, it may be is a fruit or seed eating. The ancestral bird. The ancestral bird may be a seed eating behavior. Okay, and also they have a beak for this purpose, seed eating. So this ancestral bird, it may be due to competition or due to scarcity of food or due to environmental condition, they was diverged into, okay, 14 varieties of Darwin finches over 2 million years ago. Okay, so the bird entered in the island over 2 million years ago. Later that it was deviated into 14 varieties of Darwin finches in that Galapagos Island. So it's called adaptive radiation. So in the process தான் adaptive radiation சொல்றோம். ஒரு particular pointல ஒரு particular geographical regionல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு ancestor speciesல இருந்து many varieties of species evaluate, different species evaluation ஆவறது தான் adaptive radiation. அதுக்கு example தான் Darwin finches from Galapagos Island. So these 14 varieties, they have changes only, okay, only in beak shape and feeding behavior. Okay, so the beak shape, it was changed into based on the feeding behavior. Some of them are vegetarian and some of them are fruit eating bird. Some of them are sucking of blood from iguanas. Okay, so based on that feeding behavior, the beak shape was changed in different species. Okay, and molecular analysis of that organisms. So in the organisms molecular components நம்ம analyze பண்ணும்போது, the particular gene is responsible for beak shape is called ALX1. The gene, the genetic sequence or the ALX1 is responsible of the shape of beak. So that all the 14 varieties, the gene have some mutations. The gene have some mutation according to that adaptation. That mutation was changed the phenotypic structure of beak. The phenotypic structure of big, they produce 14 varieties of Darwin finches. Okay, so it is the example of adaptive radiation. And also divergent evolution. We know this, what is divergent evolution. Okay, the organs, homology. The divergent evolution is called homology. Okay, the many structural organs are similar pattern of development and also similar structure with different function. It's called divergent evolution. We know that example also. Okay, the four limbs of horse, four limbs of humans, and four limbs of that aquatic mammal, dolphin, like that. Okay, thank you.